Chez Satoshi for the love of crypto and coffee. On this vlog today, I'm going to talk about Safepal and the utility token of this ecosystem. Just before moving on, I want you to take a couple of action. The first one naturally is subscribe right now. Smash the like button if you enjoy this kind of content. Leave a nice comment below, share your wisdom and insight, or you want me to talk about specific though you might need to cover on this channel. Go for it, leave a nice comment below. Press the bell notification, bing bing bing, to get notified every single day, my friend, from Monday through Sunday, every day, with great content of value made by with the love of crypto and coffee. Don't forget to spread the love around at your workplace, in the street, at school, for great content every day, and to your YouTube dashboard. You have all my gratitude if you take those actions. I just learned about Safepal. Was watching a great video about Coinbuzz, Altcoinbuzz, I mean, and I put this project Safepal into my radar. Say Altcoinbuzz, yeah, Altcoinbuzz. So as you can see, this is a cold wallet that, like the Ledger or Trezor, they have so many on the market. But Trezor, I think Ledgers and Trezor are the first mover and they dominate the market. But anyway, they have competitors. But at a certain point, the market don't need 20 cold wallet because people just need 1 or 2 maximum. But as you can see, that's the Safepal. So what's that mean behind it? But what they put on my radar, they have an utility account they call SFP. So let's go jump. What is Safepal? Always secure and protect whenever you go. So you have your smartphone and you have the device of Safepal. So the project, they have the Safepal SIS1, the most valuable project for crypto beginner. In the Safepal cipher, where you can protect your seed in case of water, fires, or corrosions. They have the wallet. Safepal letter case protect you S1 and cipher from scratch and burns. Safepal app store, buy, manage, swap, and trade 10,000 cryptocurrency in one app. So this is nothing very special because they have so many apps right now where you can buy, swap all your cryptocurrency. So at any point, people don't need 10,000. I'm just sharing my small starting up because the market is starting to be overwhelming with solution like this, where when you use a smartphone, you install a app and you can buy many cryptocurrency. But do you believe that people need to have 20, 30, 40 apps just to swap back and forth cryptocurrencies? People will just use 1 or 2. But what is cool behind it, at least they have a small device, a cold wallet. They have something to protect your seed in case of fires or waters. And they have an app as well. So we are serving individuals across the countries. So they have a lot of different patterns from Binance to Just Liquidity. I invite you to check on yourself to read it because I don't want to bore you just to read 40 names once they make partnership with Safepal. And testimonial, this is very important. When you have, especially when you have a cold wallet or projects to present to the world, you need to have some testimonials to be for people to trust. So stay safe with Safepal. Discover more. And then you have all this stuff. They are present on Twitter, Telegram, and YouTube. So let's go jump to the next sections. So this is the look and feel of Safepal is very obvious, straightforward. So you have this, you install the apps, you protect your seed or your seed phrase, and then you'll be able to buy cryptocurrency. Now it's available on App Store, Google Play, and Android. So what, as you can see, say one interface to manage all type of wallets. Manage hardware wallet, software wallet, trading wallet, all in one place, my friend. One place with the interface of Safepal. Store your fund in different wallet to reduce seed leakage risk. Create or import software wallet in flexible way. Unique phrase, key store, private key, public address observations. You can as well pay, scan, pair, and manage a Safepal hardware wallet conveniently. Looking for more advanced security? Get more Safepal outdoor wallet and keep your asset 100% offline. So as you can see, when you have an application like this, you need to buy, swap, and trade back and forth. Crypto asset at your fingerprint. Big. This is blue. That's why I see all the thing flickering a little bit, because I don't want to modify. I should put a new t-shirt today, but anyway, it doesn't matter. So basically what you can do with this application: buy crypto with credit card, bank account, IDL, bank contact, EPS, GiroPay, and C4 banking. Swap and exchange one cryptocurrency for any other cryptocurrency instantly. So you can access your favorite DApp in one click, my friend. Integrate with the most popular DApp on Ethereum, Tron, and Binance Smart Chain. Pretty cool. Bookmark your favorite DApp in one click. Add your DApp to overlay for convenient access. Download Safepal right now. Scan the QR code, ping, and then install it. So let's go jump to the next section. Just before moving on, I need to take some coffee. Don't forget to subscribe right now. Smash the like button if you enjoy this kind of content. You can leave a nice comment below if you want to share your wisdom, insight, your appreciation, or you want me to talk about something very specific, or present you a new gem that you want me to cover on this channel. Go for it. Leave a comment below. Press the bell notification, bing, to get notified every single day, my friend, from Monday through Sunday, every day, with great content of value. As well, spread the love about this great channel at your workplace, and a shred code for great content of value every day. Make by love and crypto, for the love of crypto and coffee. So let's go back to SVP. So this is the utility token that fuels the economy of Safepal. SFP is short for Safepal token, an utility token that fuels the entire Safepal ecosystem. SFP is a decentralized digital asset based on Binance Smart Chains with a limited total supply of 500 million issued by Safepal. So you can use SFP on Binance Smart Chain scan, and you can read SFP white paper. So what you can do with the SFP use case: fees and discount, bonus program, rewards and incentive, community governance. How to get SFP? You can download the Safepal apps, buy it directly on the Safe app ecosystem. You can buy it with the wallet, use Safepal services, join Safepal community, invite friend and family. This is obvious because it's an incentive probably to reward people's because people need to have a purpose to come back, and for a marketing purpose, I believe is a good strategy to have their own utility token that fuel the economy. So you can stay safe with Safepal. So download Safepal right now. All the focus on the smartphone apps, with the as well the save to secure with the outdoor wallet as well. So they offer a great product on the market. But always do your own research. It's really important. I'm just providing this information as educational purpose. I'm not a fashion advisor. This is your duty to do your own research. So let's go back. Let's go jump to the last sections. So who's about? So Safepal enable people to own and control their asset. That's the core mission of. So basically at high level, I'm not going to read all the description, but read it on your own. So at high level, store, secure, and manage crypto asset at your fingerprint on your smartphone. Bing! It's obvious. So this project is founded in 2018. They coverage 100 countries. They support over 10,000 plus digital assets like tokens that build over a smart contract platform. And they provide update every 2 or 3 weeks. So Safepal is trusted by individuals across the continent, on North America, South America, Africa, Europe, and Asia, and Australia, my friend, even New Zealand here. So as you can see, they have a strong roadmap, as you can see here. And now in 2000, Safepal introduced wallet holder offering WHO, probably an airdrop, So as you can see, the story behind Safepal, the eventual supply chains, endorsed by industry leaders Safepal and Binance. So testimonial as well, because you need to have testimonials to be able to have trusted people to trust your project. It's always good to have testimonial in place. So in the meantime, I'm going to close this beautiful vlog about Safepal for the love of crypto and coffee. Don't forget to subscribe to this wonderful channel right now. Smash the like button if you enjoy this kind of content. Leave a nice comment below. Share your wisdom, insight, or you want me to talk about specific thing, go for it and leave a nice comment below. As well, press the bell notification, bing, 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 to get notified every single day from Monday through Sunday, 9 a.m. time, with great content of value. Every day, my friend. As well, spread the love about this great channel at your workplace and the street, at school, for great content of value every day. You can subscribe to my newsletter, podcast, and come visit my outstanding website, shit.com. And what you need to remember about Safepal, it's a safe way to store your crypto asset on your smartphone or on the crypto wallet. And see you tomorrow for another great project to discover something wonderful that I want me to share with you every day with passion of crypto and coffee. Keep smiling and see you tomorrow at 9 a.m. Eastern time. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.